Exercise relieves stress. As a general rule, a healthy individual does not need expensive nutritional supplements. Physical exercise can help sharpen the brain and encourage the creation of new neurons. Exercise relieves stress and gives us time to think, and also helps with creativity. At the same time, we can practice positive thinking until it becomes the default mindset by looking forward to every new day in a constructive way. Our stress is the main cause, that is the elephant in the room for our tension and problems. Consequently, stress and anxiety, whether induced by external events or by our own thoughts, equally kill neurons and prevent the creation of new ones. Research clearly shows that good habits can reduce stress. For example, exercise directly reduces stress.